Freshdesk ticketing tutorial, how to use Freshdesk. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Freshdesk. So let's get into it. Now, Freshdesk is an amazing customer service software which will enable you to further optimize your agent productivity. They have a lot of different features, including ticketing, collaborations, automations, help widgets, and so much more. And Freshdesk is super useful as your basic CRM tool, and I'm going to show you guys how to get started on Freshdesk. So first off, you will have to sign up, and once you have signed up with a basic email, you're going to get a 21-day free trial of their premium version. Now, we will be discussing price plans later on, but this is going to be your basic dashboard on Freshdesk, and you will see on your left you have your navigation panel. So on your navigation panel, you have tickets, you have contacts and companies, you have social, you have your solutions, forms, reports, and analytics, and then your basic administrative settings. Now, ticketing is one of the most essential features in any CRM software, and I'm going to show you guys how the ticketing system on Freshdesk works and how you are supposed to optimize it for your own personal benefit. Now, you can see this is the ticketing system over here. I'm in the all ticket section. You can see on your top you have ticket views as well, so you can take a look at tickets in a different form as well. So you can also only look at tickets that you are assigned to. Then you also have unresolved tickets. You can take a look at tickets I raised, tickets I mentioned in, tickets I'm watching, archive, spam, and trash. So you have a lot of different views that are available, so you can filter out your view. Now, this is just a all ticket section. Now, there are two ways that you can import tickets onto the Freshdesk CRM. Now, you can either click on export, and then you can export this as a CSV or Excel file, and then you can do the same as an import. So you can also import all of these tickets into your Freshdesk CRM. Now, other than that, you can see on your top right, you have the new section. So from here, you can click on new ticket, and then you can start creating your own tickets. Now, you can also take a look at the ticket template on the right over here. So you can pick out a specific kind of template that you can get started with, but a basic ticket is like this. So first off, you're going to add your contact. You can click on add new contact or add CC. So there are two options. Let's say we are adding any email address and any number. You can just add whatever you want, whatever is the actual ticketing email. Then you can also add or link their company. So if you go into your contacts and company section, you can create multiple different companies that you're in communication with, and then you can link a person to a company over here as well within the ticket. So this will enable you to further optimize the CRM experience, because you will be knowing who is managing who, and you would actually know, okay, this issue or this ticket is coming from that company that we are working with in this specific area, and then you can find all the details within the company section. Below that, you also have CC, so any people that need to be informed on this ticket can be CC'd. Then you add your subject, your type, your phone, the source. Obviously it could be phone, email, whatever. So let's say we have email or anything else, so we're going to continue on with phone. So then you have the status. So let's say this is a open ticket we're going to create and it is high priority. Then you have the group of the ticket, so we can create different groups. We have our basic groups created as billing, customer support, and escalations. You can add more groupings as well according to your company's business. So whatever kind of business you guys are in, you're going to add your own custom grouping accordingly. So let's say we are doing customer support, and then you can assign a specific agent to the ticket as well. Let's say that this company is usually dealt by a certain agent, then you can already assign them to this ticket and then add the description and tags to the ticket. Now, if we click on initiate a refund, which is a ticket template, you can take a look at the initiating a refund template, and once it has been loaded, this is the key description, the regard. So you can save multiple different templates along these lines to further simplify your work. And then you can also take a look at the ticket templates over here. So you can just click on over here to view other ticket templates, and then you have your basic contact details. So any other personal information, like any details that you have saved in the contact section, you will be able to see over here. And this will enable you to have a further customized experience whenever you are communicating with any of your business partners. Now, after that, you have your create section, and you can also create and set as closed. So we're just going to create this and mark it as a open ticket like that. So you can just create any ticket like so. I'm just going to enter out a fake little email, and we're just going to add a little bit of this, and then we're just going to click on create over here. And now you can see over here that this ticket has been created. Now, once a ticket has been created, not only can you customize it later on, you can click on add a note and then add more notes to it. You can also close a ticket and then merge two tickets. So let's say a person has sent two requests to initiate a refund. Then you can, instead of, deleting one ticket or archiving the other or having, issues with that, you can just merge two tickets. If two separate issues turn out to be one issue, then you can just merge your tickets. Now, if you go into our ticket section right now, you can see I have all of these tickets. This is a basic card view. I can also change this to a table view like this, and I will get all of the basic information like the state, group, agent, priority, and status of the ticket right over here. And once a ticket is closed, I can just click on closed over here, and the ticket will become translucent, so I can only focus on the open tickets. Now, other than that, you also have filters, so you can monitor agent productivity very efficiently. You can click on any agent and click on unassigned tickets and then assign them to specific agents. You can also click on any group. So let's say you want to only browse tickets that are regarding billing, so you can filter those out in the past 30 days. Then you also have a resolution due by, you have your first response, you have status, priorities. Let's say you only want to take a look at high or urgent priority tickets, then you can start browsing those over here. And then if you're an agent and you only deal with a certain company's tickets within your CRM or within your business, then you can just take a look at the company's tickets over here just by filtering those out, and then you can focus on those. And this enables you to optimize your workflow and do work efficiently. So with your ticketing system, it's fantastic to use. And if you go into your reports and analytics system, so if you go into your reports over here, and once we go into the report section, you can take a look at the productivity. So within their productivity, you have agent performance. So if you open this up over here, now you can monitor your agent performance, you can monitor group performance, you can see how many tickets a person is dealing with, and all of this data could be provided to you. Plus, you also get a ticket life cycle and a timesheet summary. So if you're paying by hour, then you can get a timesheet summary of your employees as well, and this will enable you to practice and take a look at what employees are solving tickets in more time, who is doing their work efficiently, who should get a bonus or not. So you can manage a lot of your basic needs on Freshdesk as well, other than just your basic ticketing system, which is going to be a very smooth and easy and buttery process for you to get started with. Now, although this is a great CRM and I do recommend it to most people, it does come at a price. So if you go into the pricing section over here, they do have a free version where you have your email and social ticketing, ticket dispatch, knowledge base, ticket trend reports, data center locations, and team collaboration. But if you want any of the features that I was just talking about, the premium features, you will have to upgrade to the growth version that starts at $15 per agent per month, where you get amazing features like automation and SLA and business hour. You also have marketplace apps, you also have ticket fields and statuses, you have custom ticket views, and you have custom email servers as well. And the time tracking and timesheet summary reports are only available on the growth version, so you can't get that on the free. And then you also have the pro version starting at $49 per agent per month, and then you also have the custom roles, custom reports and dashboards, versions and knowledge base, customer segmentation, and so much more. And then you also have the enterprise version, which starts at $79, and they have things like the sandbox, audit logs, IP range restriction, agent shift, auto triage, assistant bots, and so much more. So a lot of automations are available on the enterprise version, but for most people and most businesses or most companies, I do say that the growth version is going to be good enough. You're going to get automation, so you will have follow-ups, escalation, and other basic tasks. So all of your basic CRM things are going to be present within the $15 growth version. It is probably one of the most fairly priced, I would say, the most fairly priced CRM or support desk software out there. There's other softwares like Jira and other CRMs as well that are going to be a lot higher priced in the same amount of features. So you're going to get the same amount of features in usually somewhere around the $45 price range. So that is why I do recommend Freshdesk to most people. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to use the ticketing system on the Freshdesk CRM efficiently. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.